Welcome to you all concerned in Kana Math classes for 12th Math under CBSE board concerning to NCERT pattern. In continuation to previous video, I am going to find out the solution of question number 6 under exercise same, that is 8.1. Here we have given equation of a curve and a straight line. Equation of the curve is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 2 square, that is equation of the circle with center 0 0 and radius 2, and here is straight line x is equal to root 3y. Equation number second. In the figure we see that the circle with center 0 0 and radius 2 as per equation says, and straight line OB, that is x is equal to root 3y. If we find out the intersection of the curve and straight line, for intersection of curve and straight line, we have from equation 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2. Here instead of x square we will substitute root 3y, that is root 3y whole square plus y square is equal to 2 square means 4, or 3y square plus y square is equal to 4, or 4y square is equal to 4 means y square is equal to 4 by 4, that is y is equal to plus minus 1 or y is equal to 1, being in the first segment, first quadrant, being located in first quadrant, being located in first quadrant. Yes. Hence x is equal to root 3 into 1, that is root 3. Hence point of intersection is equal to root 3 1, that is point B in figure. We have to find out the area region bounded by the circle and straight line OB in the first quadrant only, in the first quadrant only. Hence area A is equal to area OBMO, area OBMO plus area MABM, hence A is equal to y dx for this part OMBO y dx and the upper and lower limit from this definite integral will be equal to 0 to root 3. 0 to root 3 plus another part, that is MA BM, is equal to further y dx, and the lower limit for this will be equal to here root 3 into 2, root 3 to 2, because this figure MABM OM is equal to root 3 by virtue of point of intersection for x coordinate root 3, and the upper limit is OA, that is the radius of the circle 2. Here we will substitute y dx in first part of the region bounded. Y is equal to x by root 3, x by root 3, 0 to root 3 dx plus, and here y dx for this region MABM, we will use y from the equation of the curve, that is circle. Y square means 4 minus x square, and y will be equal to under root 4 minus x square dx, and the lower limit will be equal to here for the second area MABM, lower limit for this will be equal to root 3, and upper limit, that is OM to OA, will be equal to 2. Now we will integrate this portion and this portion. Here taking 1 by 3 as a common, 1 by root 3 as a common, and in integral only left x dx, this will be equal to x square by 2, and for limit this is equal to 0 to root 3 plus here the fundamental well-known integral under root a square minus x square dx, which is being formulated as x by 2 under root x square under root a square minus x square plus x by a sin inverse x by a. Here in this terminology this will be x by 2 under root 4 minus x square plus a square by 2. A square means 4 a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a, that is 2, and the limit is just as usual root 3 to 2. Now here 1 upon root 3 by substituting root 3 instead of x, this will be 3 by 2 and 0. If you substitute 0, this will become 0, and here x by 2 means if we substitute 2 instead of x, this is 2 by 2 under root, this is 0, 4 minus 4 plus 4 by 2 means 2 sin inverse x means 2 sin inverse 2 by 2 by 2, and the minus here, if you take here 0, this will be 0, 0, and plus if you take here 0 means root 3, the lower limit root 3, this will be equal to root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, and 4 minus 3, that is means 1 plus sin inverse 0, it will be equal to 0. Now we will take a slight disturbance of time in order to lack of space in the blackboard. We will now a will be equal to 3 1 ja 3 upon 2 root 3, 3 upon 2 root 3, and here this will be equal to, this is 0, 2 sin inverse 2 by 2, 2 sin inverse 2 by 2 means 1, 1, and here minus, this will be equal to 0, 3 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 into 1, root 3 by 2. Here this will be equal to, you may write 3 into root 3 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 sin inverse 1 means pi by 2, pi by 2, and here this is root 3 by 2. This will be cut by this, and this is root 3 by 2 plus pi, this is pi, and minus root 3 by 2, this will be cut by this. Here actually we have slight mistake. Here we will write instead of x we will write 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, and sin inverse root 3 by 2 will be equal to pi by 3, pi by 3, and this will equal to, and here we have left 2 sin inverse n means pi by 2, pi by 2, and this is 2 will be cancelled, this will be equal to plus pi minus, here will be 2 pi by 3, and this will be cancelled, pi minus 2 pi by 3, pi minus 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2, this will be cancelled by this, and this will be 3 pi minus 2 pi, 3 pi minus 2 pi by 3 pi minus 2 pi by 3. 3 pi minus 2 pi means pi by 3. This is the requisite area of the region bounded by circle and straight line. Thanks you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and comment.